What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be wrapping the driver's side rear quarter panel. This is part 2, and remember, if you guys enjoy my content, please remember to subscribe, like, ring that bell, and I'll keep pumping out more videos. Let's get to it. We're done. The driver's side rear quarter panel came out really nice. My apologies, guys, that I had to cut the video. I felt like you guys weren't able to see anything. I'm in such a tight corner here, but it came out very nice. I'm happy about it. My next video that I make, I'll be wrapping this, the hatch, and I'll have it up on my tripod so you guys will have a view on the entire thing when I wrap it. And that's it for today. Wish you all the best, everyone. Happy holidays. If you like the content, please subscribe, ring that bell, and hit a like on this video. Thank you very much, everyone. Take care.